My research focuses on the area of digital evolution. What digital evolution is basically a way of studying how evolution occurs in nature, as well as how we can harness evolution in order to solve engineering problems with all of the experiments taking place inside of a computer. So digital organisms are just self-replicating computer programs, but they're fully functional computer programs. And we take populations of these self-replicating computer programs. You can kind of think of them like computer viruses, but very well controlled. And we put them in sometimes very complex environments where there's noise in the environment. And so as they're copying themselves, they'll make mistakes. So these mistakes are like mutations. And over time, they will evolve to better and better solve problems that they encounter in their environment, much like how natural organisms will evolve to solve problems from their environment. So one of the projects that I'm most excited about recently, actually we just had a paper come out about this, is the evolution of multicellularity. So how do organisms evolve from being single cellular, like bacteria, to multicellular, and particularly really complex multicellular where different cells are doing different things and interacting in all sorts of ways so that the overall organism is much more fit. So as you can imagine, this sort of work with self-replicating computer programs is very computationally intensive. And the HPCC gives us so many of the resources that we need in order to not just do one of these digital evolution runs, but to do many of them so that we can compare how evolution occurs across all these different instances and develop general principles about evolution. And without the HPCC, we would never have the statistical power, the rigor behind these experiments to really draw tight conclusions. Additionally, it allows us to have much more realistic digital organisms. So it allows them to be very expressive in what they can do, because at times we'll have tens of thousands of computer programs needing to be running simultaneously in a single population. And the HPCC allows us to do that so quickly and effectively that it doesn't break up the flow of our research to just stop and have to wait months or whatever. We can typically get results back in days, or in the most complex cases, a week. And that is really, really quite wonderful.